Welcome to our video on the best programming languages for the IT sector. Programming languages are a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. They are used to create software, applications, and websites. Python is a popular programming language known for its simplicity and versatility. It is used in web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. Java is a widely used programming language known for its security and reliability. It is used in enterprise applications, mobile development, and gaming. Javascript is a scripting language used for front-end web development. It is used to create interactive web pages and user interfaces. C++ is a high-performance programming language used for system software, game development, and scientific computing. C# is a modern, object-oriented language used for Windows desktop applications, game development, and web applications. Swift is a powerful and intuitive language used for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS app development. SQL is a domain-specific language used for managing and manipulating data in relational databases. Ruby is a dynamic, open-source language used for web development, data analysis, and automation. PowerShell is a task automation and configuration management framework used primarily in Windows environments. Please subscribe to our channel for tech-related videos.